To illustrate part 2 of this week's discussion board assignment, we're going to look at the question from the Reich Virtual Organic Textbook website that's cited in the instructions. And we're going to use structures A and structures J to make our resonance contributors. And now I'm in Marvin Sketch, and I have made a framework of atoms as they're shown connected in letter A. And now I'm going to copy this structure and paste it right over here beside the original structure. Let's put the charge on some of these atoms. In letter A, we need a positive charge on this nitrogen, so I'm going to right click on it, charge, and +1. And this nitrogen needs a negative charge. On what was structure J, we need to put a negative charge on this carbon with a right click and negative, and then a positive charge on this nitrogen. And I've increased the zoom up to 200% so we can see these next steps a little better. We need to change these bonds, so let's make this a double bond now, and this also a double bond, just with the bond tool up here, multiple clicks. The last step is to put in the unshared electron pairs, and we can do that with the view under miscellaneous. Check this lone pair box, and they appear. Now it's time for some curved arrows using the curved arrow tool here. Curved arrows have to start from an electron pair, especially on a negative charge like this. So take our curved arrow, and we're going to go from the nitrogen to the bond in between the nitrogen. By itself, that curved arrow would violate the octet rule, putting 10 electrons around this nitrogen. So we need to take a pair of electrons that's in a pi bond now and move it over to this carbon. And let's get our double-headed arrow in here. And put it between the two structures. Enclose everything in brackets. And save everything as an image in JPEG format here. We'll call it test1. You'll also want to record or save the file in Marvin Sketch format. Attach both files to a discussion post, and also include a sentence or two describing the significance of the contributors that you drew. I watched the video that I just made, and I see I have a glaring mistake. I need to put a charge on this nitrogen here, and now everything is hunky-dory.